Recently, we needed to replace our fridge. I thought it was a perfect time to refresh the organization system that I had. My main goal is to categorize like items with like items, so here I'm putting all the vegetables together in one pull-out drawer, all the frozen fruits together, all the raw meats together, and then some prepared foods. Since I had 2 tall shelves to deal with, I didn't want food spilling over itself, so I decided to try some of my Container Store translucent multi-purpose bins, and they ended up working perfectly. They're actually 10 inches tall, so they keep food separated and also leave lots of room to use the vertical space well. I was really happy with that. I didn't actually have my ice cream in here yet because we were waiting for the freezer to come down to temperature, but I'm leaving a spot for it right at the top. And now on to the condiments in the fridge door. Unfortunately, my camera was not aimed properly, so I'll show you that at the end. Here I am filling up a glass of water, a tip I learned from someone else on YouTube to keep your herbs fresh. You just put them in a glass of water like flowers in a vase. Putting all of my drinks on top, trying to find the best place for everything where I can still keep like items sort of with like items. I've got all my leftovers on the bottom shelf there. And I did put a couple pull-out drawers for the cheeses and deli snacks. And that uses the vertical space a little better than just leaving that shelf open. Here I'll be using the top drawer for meat, mostly deli meat, and the second drawer for fresh vegetables, and the bottom drawer for fresh fruits. I love using my label maker, not only in the fridge, but in the pantry and all over the house. It makes reusable, repositionable, and easy to read labels. Just peel the tape off the back and stick it on almost any surface. And since the refrigerator is such a dynamic space, if things need to move, I can easily peel those labels up and move them as well. Just like that. Now to the side of the fridge, I want to use more vertical space here for pot holders within easy reach and for all of my knives. The knife holder is a magnetic bar that can easily be adjusted, but it holds on very securely. So once it's in place, it doesn't really move around. And now I'm finished. You can see the labels on the Container Store bins. I've got my potatoes separated from my bread, etc. And room for that ice cream when it comes back upstairs. It's in the spare freezer downstairs right now. And now you can finally see the condiments in the door. I arranged sauces, creams, pickled items, condiments together like with like. I labeled all of the drawers and even some of the shelves. And now we're all finished.